Hey everybody, this is your 2-minute tutorial on how to use Collaborate Ultra to record a lesson with FileShare. So to get started, from your Blackboard course, you're going to choose Collaborate Ultra from the course menu. From there, you're going to choose Course Room and then Join Course Room. Now the first thing you're going to want to do when you join the session is to turn on your mic so you'll record the audio. So you click there on the mic, and you can also choose to share your video. If you choose to share your video, your thumbnail video will show up in the bottom left corner, and the content will show up here in the middle in the media space. So to share content, you're going to click on the purple tab in the right corner. Then you'll click on Share Content. From there, you can share different types of files. To do that, you'll click on Share Files and then add your files. And you can add as many files as you need. If you know in this particular lesson you're going to be sharing more than one PowerPoint or more than one PDF, you can go ahead and have those preloaded, and that's what I suggest you do, because it does take just a few seconds to convert. So I'll click Add Files. I'll find my content, select it. It'll take just a second to convert. And this conversion time is why I do suggest that you go ahead and have these preloaded before you begin recording. I'm going to go add, let's say there's one other file I want to share, this PDF. So I'm going to select that. And so now I'm going to have two files that I can kind of flip back and forth as needed during the lesson. So to share the file, you just select the file that you want to share first, and then you click Share Now. You'll select the first slide. To advance through the slides, you can either choose the arrow down just underneath the slide, or you can advance through the sidebar. And just as a reminder, your students will only see what's in this media space. They do not see what's on the sidebar. If you want to stop sharing one file, you click the Stop Sharing button in the top right corner of the media space, and then you can select the next file that you want to share. So you select the file, click Share Now, click on the file, and then you see it here in the media space. Students can zoom in, and you can zoom in as well if you need to see it enlarged. Your zooming in does not affect what the students see on their end. Once you get the file selected, I'm going to stop sharing that. I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint. I'm going to select the slide to get started. And now I'm ready to start recording my lesson. I have my files ready. I'm going to go to the session menu in the top left and click Start Recording. I'll work through my PowerPoint, recording my lecture or my lesson, and when I'm finished, I'll just go back to the session menu and click Stop Recording. And that's it. You can stop sharing your content. To leave the session, you can click on the session menu and choose Leave Session. And the recording will take just a few minutes. Well, depending on the video, you can just exit out of this tab. To access the recording, it could take a few minutes to 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So they're not readily available. It depends on the volume of videos being queued at that particular time. To access the video to actually deploy in your course, you'll click on the session menu, you'll click on Recordings, and this is where you will find the recording. You'll see that it's not immediately accessible, so this is where you need to kind of plan a little bit of ahead of time. In the next video, I'll show you what to do with that recording and how to use it to deploy in your content assignments for your students to have access to. Hope this helped. Thank you.